Do these four important things immediately after uploading your videos on YouTube. Like, this is the exact strategy I use for this very video, and it has made a big difference for me. But for quick disclaimers, everything I'm sharing here is based on my own experience of getting more views and real subscribers. Now, this is a simple action you need to seriously take right now inside the YouTube app itself. No need to go to the YouTube studio or any website. So let's get into it and wait till the end of this video, because the fourth tips is the most powerful for growing a loyal audience. So if this is a kind of video you want to see today on my channel, please join the family by hitting that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you get notification each time I publish new video. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys for supporting me on this journey. So let's dive into it. The first thing you want to do is by engaging with your own video. Yes, watch your own video from start to finish right after uploading your video. Why? Because YouTube picks up that someone is watching the video completely. That helps your video with a good retention data. Next is to like the video, drop the first comment and pin it. For example, now I usually say something like this: what do you think about these tips? Or have you tried this before? That particular comment will invite what engagement on your what on your video. And also don't forget to reply to your own comments if you want to add a bonus or extra value. This will create more activity and more what lively engagement in your what in your video what comment section. The second thing you are going to do is to use a second account to boost engagement. What do I mean? Open your video on a second YouTube account. Like, you can create another YouTube account. Like, let me just call it a robot or an auxiliary YouTube account. Yes, make sure that you watch the full video, like from the beginning to the end. Like that particular video and drop a unique word comment on that particular video. Why? Because it is another real view with interaction, and that will send a good signal to the YouTube that something is really happening on this particular what video. And once they see that engagement and likes are coming on this particular video, they will keep on pushing that video more and more. Now, this is a pro tips that I want to give you. You have to wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds before liking and commenting on the second account, so that it looks natural, like it will looks like is a real viewer. I do this in every of my video. Like, anytime I publish video, I upload video on this channel, I'll use other of my accounts. Like, if you go to most of my video comment section, you'll be seeing so many engagements earlier. Like, you'll be seeing Dera Entertainment TV, you'll be seeing Dera Creator Hub. These are my accounts. Some of my accounts I use in watching my video from start to finish. And I would like that particular video, comment to that particular video. I'll use that particular account to reply to other word comment that is coming from a real world viewers. Okay, so this is what you are going to be doing. Use your another account to watch your video from beginning to the end. Like the video, comment, and also what leave a genuine word comment. The third one is, don't share your video on WhatsApp or any social media too soon. Yes, I didn't say you should not share it, I mean too soon. Don't share it immediately you have uploaded your video. This one is important and most people get it wrong. Don't rush to share your video to WhatsApp group or Facebook group the moment you have uploaded a video. Yes, I have made a video about why this sharing of a video can hurt your channel, and this is the video here. So the reason behind this is because most of your friends and family are not your target audience. If they click and don't watch that video, you see that it will hurt your audience retention, right? And YouTube might stop pushing your video. That is one thing most new YouTubers don't know about. Now, make sure that you wait at least an hour. Wait at least like a maximum of 1 hour. Let the algorithm test it with the right audience first. Then you start sharing. Yes, allow the video to rest, allow the video to break, allow the video to feel at home in your channel for about 1 hour before you can now start thinking of sharing it to the congregation you feel like. Okay,
bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
if you keep sharing your video too soon, YouTube algorithm is not going to work, push your video. So get that into your head. The fourth thing you are going to do is to respond to all comments and build a community. Yes, this is where your real growth starts. Yes, make sure that you reply to every single comment that comes on your video, even if it's just thanks for watching, yes, or a heart emoji. Make sure that you also reply to that particular comment. In that way, that subscriber or that commenter will feel so special that this person is taking my comment into consideration. Okay, and make sure you ask question in return. Like, let me say, if someone says great video, reply with thanks. Which tip are you going to try first? In that way, it's some kind of a questionable word feedback you are giving to that person. Okay, you are making it more conversational for you and that person. Yes, on the comment section. Okay, this particular thing does two things. Yes, it can only boost your engagement and it will build you a loyal audience. People love when creators respond to their comments. Like, it makes them come back for more of that content because they know that once they drop a comment on that particular video, there will be a feedback, there will be a reply, there will be a response from that their particular comment, and they will feel happy, they will feel like excited, they will feel at home to watch your content, and that alone might even earn you a subscription from that comment. So make sure you watch your video, like and comment on your own video. Use a second account for more engagement. This is what most YouTubers do, but they are not telling you about this thing. And make sure that you avoid sharing your video too early, too soon. Like, you just uploaded a video now and you're sharing it. Stop it. It can actually hurt and sabotage your channel. Make sure that you respond to every comment that comes on your video. Do not ignore any of them. This small step can make a big difference in your video's performance. And if you find this helpful, hit that subscribe button so I know to make more real strategies like this. Subscribe to the channel if you want more tips that are based on what actually works, not just theoretical aspect. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.